Khebo Guwahati Tea Board of India ni adong rok by nangkukmani kokchapjakha Tripura Tea Development Corporation ni chairman by MD o kokchap thanibo Tripura Hasteo ni chanotei busuk jorate hamkrai khlai mante tamo khlai thai klai jora kolokromai koklam shalaika Beleno shep kaham hastini chano financialo hamsamungni kaisa ketal lamo yapri sherina ni bagai paileya hoileya tabuk Tripura Tea Development Corporation ni chairman Samir Guste MD Rajesh Kumar Das o khebono Guwahati Tea Board of India ni executive director Ornita Fukon khoboi senior official rock by kaisa nangkukmani koklamo manjagaikha Samir Gus by Rajesh Kumar Das kokchapmung wngkha Guwahati ni tea auction center ro o kokchap thaniwo tongkha GTAC ni secretary Priyanoj Dottobo bo chanotei kaisa presentation khlai rikha presentation o Tripura te Assam ni chanotei sabai shukrubai koklam wngkha chanotei financial o bahaike hamsamung khlai manai aboroknotei samung tangui tongkha Tea Board of India ni adongrok o kokchapmung Tripura Hasteo ni chanobo financial o teibo hamsamung khlainai hinui saka Tripura Tea Development Corporation ni chairman Samir Gus Bureau Report News Now